Tibabu, Tibania, Tibania, Timati, Tibabu, Timati, Tibania. Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Speak. So all you have to do before you proceed, like, subscribe, and let's get started. So today I'm going to be opening my first Aliexpress haul, and it's for my nail set. You guys, I have always been a fan of nails. I want to start sharing videos of how you can get the perfect set for just cheap. I'm so happy that this just arrived in the mail. So let's get started. I'm really excited about unboxing or unwrapping this product. So it has something here. So it says focus, bitches. Struggle is real. No, the struggle is real. So it said goods not fulfilling the conditions laid down in Articles 28 and 29 of the Treaty on the Functioning of the European Union. So I want to just say something. When customs get products from Chinese companies or from other countries that people have ordered in Nigeria, I think they unwrap them, then wrap them back. Honestly, they need to upgrade their wrapping game. What is all this now? We can do better than this. What do you guys think? You can do better. They need to unwrap. What is all this? You can do better now. What is so bland? So something. It's tiring. You can do better. So let us unravel and see what's inside. Okay. Me and my new cute. Me and my cute. Oh. Ugh. Me and my cute. Yeah. Yeah. They call me Megatron. Tell her done. Yeah. And I get my jealous on. And I get my jealous on. Honestly. You're so here. I can't wait for you guys to see me. Oh no. Oh my god, this is so beautiful, guys. This is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my entire life. Oh god. I can't believe it. It is here. It is here. Look at it. This is it. So I'm going to be turning this camera opposite so you guys can see what is really inside this package. This is so beautiful. It's so pretty. It's so beautiful, guys. It's so pretty. Can you see my lamp from inside? It's so big. It's so big, guys. Okay, so I'm going to be folding this up. Oh my god, is it? Oh my god. It's just filled from the container. My container has landed. So let's open this first one. So I'm going to set this aside so you can see, what this is here. What this here is. Sorry, just put it to view. Put it down a little. So. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. So this is I can't. Oh my god. Give me life, guys. Give me life. It is another color. This is color coat. Hallelujah. Okay, I think this is black. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. So we have different colors, and these ones are the top coat. So they have different colors. So we have the base coat and top coat, and there are two. Oh my god. So oh my god, this one's spilled, guys. Anyways, so what this does is what you do before you apply your color to your nails. It just sets the premise, like the foundation for it. This is your base coat. Then this is your top coat. This is your finishing stuff. This is what you finish with. So when you finish applying, you finish with that. So we're just going to clear this, get this out of the way as quickly as we can, so we can introduce the other guys in the bag, so you guys can see everybody. Mama's here. Let's move this away, then bring back the board. So let's just get unravel this. Oh god, you guys. Good. This is my drill set, guys. This is my drill set. It's here. It's here. My nail drilling set is here. So I also have UV gel. So I have them in white, pink, and clear color. So white, pink, and clear. And it helps you fine-tune your nails so that your nails are perfect. The drilling machine for your nails. Let's pull that out of the bag. When your business is set. Okay, get this out of the way. Then bring this bad boy. When I saw this lamp, honestly, would I ever use this? Maybe for a client I might do this. Yeah, but it comes with its own set, different sizes. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it gives you all of the nails for 5 nails. 5, 10. So this is my lamp, guys. This is so beautiful. This is the most beautiful lamp ever. This is so perfect, and it is you see how detachable it is? Detachable, very detachable. So this is the heating lamp. This is the UV light that hits it. Just fold this, and it's perfect again. Together, you can move them around. See how good this looks? Yeah. How's the filer? No file, no polish, whatever. This is the cuticle oil. I am big on cuticle oils because for obvious reasons. I have trouble with my nail. If you look at my nail closely, you see that I have quite a bit of a cuticle problem. Yeah, you dry there. So cuticle oils, I like this particular one. So nails that you use just gave you the right spark. All of this come. Then the files, perfect. Although I have another file.